is going on? This is AlTone, and today I want to share with you a quick unbox of the DJI MINI3 Pro. It's hard to believe that the drone and the DJI RC is in this one little box with the accessories that it actually comes with. And of course it comes with the battery installed in the back, but it does not come with a micro SD card. But the fantastic thing is this little guy has internal memory, which I think is absolutely fantastic. I believe it is the first of the mini series that actually has internal memory on it. So if you go out and you fly, you don't necessarily have to worry about putting an SD card in, even though I would. And as I was taking a look at the DJI RCN1, I actually compared the two. Compared the RCN1 and the DJI RC, it seems like the RC is lighter. The only thing that I would think the reason why it would possibly be lighter is if it has a smaller battery in it. It's a really nice unit. It feels great in your hand. It's easy to use and get used to if you've been using an RCN1 controller. It's got built-in speaker on it, so it gives you the same information that your RCN1 will give you through your cell phone. I have not tried to connect Bluetooth, like a Bluetooth headset, to the DJI RC yet. It's an Android device. It does have Bluetooth, so you may be able to pair it with your Bluetooth headset so that you can hear it versus having other people around you hear the speakers. Really nice setup. You basically get everything that you need, including an extra set of props and a screwdriver to remove and replace your props. You get basically everything you need so that you can go out and fly. A couple of quick tips. One of the things that you'll want to remember is that in order for your controller to fully charge, the DJI RC will need to be activated prior to getting a full charge. Go ahead and start it up and go through the menu and settings to get it activated, and from there you'll be able to actually charge it up to a full charge. And of course you're going to want to charge the battery in the drone itself to activate the batteries. If you take a battery that's not activated and you try to put it into the MINI3 Pro two-way charging hub, it will not recognize them. The lights will not light up at all before that battery is actually activated. So you're going to want to take each one of your individual batteries, put them initially in the drone and let them activate, charge and activate in the drone before you start to use the charging hub to charge them up. So that's pretty much it. There's not a whole lot to it. I mean, it's just an awesome drone. I've had a ton of fun flying it so far. I truly believe that if you are serious about getting out and flying, learning how to fly a drone, and considering building a drone business, this is a great one to start off with. You can grow with this drone and be able to get very good quality and professional video out of it. So thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to talking to you again in a future video.